John Simeone here, back again to show you why you probably don't need a web developer to build your business website for you. So last time out, we had created our front page for our WordPress website, and it was looking pretty rubbish, to be honest with you. We had our header up here, which is looking fine, but we've got this content section here, which doesn't have any padding. So there's no gap here. It doesn't look quite right. So I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix that and make it start to look decent. So if we come to our pages and we go on home, because that's the page we want to edit, and then we're just going to simply insert some blocks. So this is what we currently have. So we've got, this is the text for our home page, and as you look here, you can see that is displayed there. We haven't got this page title displayed on our front page, and that is on purpose because we want to have complete control over how our front page looks. So I just want to show you what we can do. So if we just click this plus up here, and we can add certain blocks. So I want to add what is known as a hero. So this is going to be at the top of our page, and I won't explain what a hero is. I will just insert it because it's pretty self-explanatory. So this is a hero here. So it's at the top of our page. It's got a title, it's got a short piece of text, a paragraph, and it's got a call to action button here. So we are just going to save that, and we're just going to see what happens. We're going to save that, and then we're going to refresh our homepage, and we're going to see what we're left with, and it should look like that. So that, as you can see, has basically sorted out the issue we were having with the gap there. So all that is looking a lot nicer. I know it doesn't line up with that, but this is all kind of preference, and to be honest with you, it's easy to get bogged down in minute details that no one else cares about. And this is coming from a web developer who has spent, you know, like the last 10 years being bogged down in minute details that no one cares about. And I'm here to tell you, no one cares about these minute details. So don't worry about little things like that. So once we've got these blocks in, we can start customizing them. So I'm not going to do that now. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just click on it, change the text, change this, save it, and it will update. Okay, so just for example, and obviously you can change the image, you can change this text down here. So it's very easy to change. But if you want to have complete control, maybe you don't want to actually use these pre-built blocks. You should use them though, you should use them. But maybe there are certain situations where you actually want to do something a little bit specific. You can just do something like this, add a group. So this is another block, a group, and this is a block you're going to use a lot. So I just clicked on buttons. That's really not what I wanted. So click on group, and then from here, you can select the type of group you want. So this is basically a layout section. So we just want a normal group, and what you're going to see is, there's this padding here, this content width padding. So that's really helpful for us. So now we can click on this plus, and we can add whatever we want within this group. So this is a paragraph. If I save that, refresh our homepage, and you'll see that it's actually spaced nicely, and we can have more control over that if we want to. So we can change how it's aligned. So it's aligned left, but maybe we want to display it a little bit differently. So if we come and click this, it's going to select the parent of this paragraph, which is the group we just selected. And then we can change the alignment here. So we can justify items left, save that, and you're going to see it's going to be the right amount of padding. So it's going to come up to here instead of going all the way to the left like this up here. So we can actually delete this paragraph because this paragraph is just loose in the wild, doing its own thing, not being very useful. So we're going to delete that. And this button, which I accidentally inserted, we'll delete that as well. And we'll save that again. Oh, and we can delete that because that's actually not anything. Save that. Refresh. And you can see how we can actually have control and start adding our content to our WordPress website. And that's the key. Content. Content is more important than minute details about design. So don't get bogged down. I always say this. Don't get bogged down in the design. Just figure out how you can start manipulating WordPress, how you can start getting your content on the page, get it on there at first, and then worry about displaying it in certain ways. And just to give you a quick demo, there's so many different blocks. So if you have an idea in your head of something you need, so maybe you need a call to action, I'm just going to search CTA, which stands for call to action. And look, wow, there's all these pre-built call to actions. Click save, and it's on your front page. Really easy to do. So I really recommend you use the pre-built blocks. If you want to know how to style these pre-built blocks, watch this video and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that.